mouth and bless him. The song says, you are a covenant-keeping God. You are a covenant-keeping God. And then we call you Yahweh, the covenant-keeping God. Yahweh. Say that one more time all over the room. You are. Say it again. You are. We call you Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. Yahweh, covenant-keeping God. You never leave me. You said that you won't forsake me. And you're right beside me. And that is all that matters. You never leave me. You said that you won't forsake me. That's his word. And you're right beside me, and that is all that matters. You are the covenant-keeping God. Yes. Oh, you are the covenant-keeping God. And we call you Yahweh, the covenant-keeping God. Yes. Yahweh, the covenant-keeping God. His word says that you never leave me. You said that you won't forsake me. Anybody believe that? That he's right beside me, and that is all that matters. See, you never leave me. You say that you won't forsake me. That you won't forsake me. See, you're right beside me. You're right, and that is all that matters. Can you sing that with us? See, you never leave me. You say that you won't forsake me. You say that you won't forsake me. See, you're right beside me. You're right, and that is all that matters. Say you are the covenant-keeping God. Yes, God. Say sweep me. Lack can't sweep me. Love won't sweep me. Fear can't sweep me. Love won't sweep me. You are the covenant keeping God. Come on, sing it. And we call you Yahweh. And we call you Yahweh. You never leave me. I know that you never leave me. Oh, you never leave me. No. Oh, and you won't forsake me. You won't forsake me. Yes, Lord. And we thank you that you are the covenant keeping God. Oh, you are the covenant keeping God. And we call you Yahweh, the covenant keeping God. Can you sing that? Say Yahweh. See, you never leave me. Sing. You said that you won't forsake me. Come on, build your faith. Said he's right beside me. And that is all that matters. Nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. Because he never leave me. You said that you won't forsake me. And you're right beside me. And that is all that matters. Open up your mouth and just continue to build your faith. Make your confession to the Lord. Make your confession to the Lord. In worship, make your confession to the Lord. God, I repent for where I doubted you. God, I repent for where I didn't believe you. God, I repent from when I put it down, put the assignment down that you gave me. But my faith is renewed this morning. You are the covenant keeper. My faith is renewed this morning that you keep your promise. My faith is renewed this morning that you'll do just what you said you would. I believe you, God. I believe you. 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 And I believe your word is true. I believe your word is true. And I know that it's not by bread alone that I should live, but by every word that proceeds out of the mouth of God. So I believe your word this morning. I stand on your word this morning. I stand on your word this morning. And your word tells me that you're a covenant keeper. Your word tells me that you keep your promises. Your word tells me that you watch over it to make sure that it performs what you set it out to do. I believe you. 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 Can we just say it one more time? You